Hello students, today we have to study line segment, ray line from basic concept in geometry. We have learned union and intersection of sets in Maths 1. Let us describe segment, ray and a line as a set of points. First, line segment. Draw a line segment. Take 2 points. Name it point A and B. This is segment AB or segment BA. I convert this line AB in terms of points. Then what is line segment? Line segment म्हणजे काय ते आता बघूया. The union set of point A and B and points between A and B is called segment AB. The union set of point A, point B and points between A and B is called segment AB. Point A, B and all points between A and B together is a union set. ह्या सगळ्यांना मिळून जो सेट तयार होतो तो आहे union set of point A and B and the points between A and B is called segment AB. Segment AB and segment BA are the same, means segment AB means segment BA. Point A and B are called end points of segment AB or BA. The distance between point A and B is called length of segment AB. Length AB is equal to distance between point A and B. Length AB is equal to 7 is also written as AB is equal to 7. इथपर्यंतचा भाग समजलाय? Ray AB. First, I draw segment AB. Produce segment AB towards point B. Name one point P. This figure is ray AB. The union set of all points of segment AB. ह्या segment AB वरचे सगळे points and points P such that A dash B dash P म्हणजे ह्या P सारखे असे अनेक points असतील आणि betweenness काय असेल A dash B dash P is called ray AB. This is infinite towards point B and starting from point A. This is ray AB. Now write down the definition. The union set of all points of segment AB and points P such that A dash B dash P is called ray AB. Ray AB and ray BA are not the same. They are different rays. Here, point A is called end point of ray AB. I draw another figure. This is ray DE. D is end point of ray DE. आपण रे DE लिहिणार आहोत. ED लिहून चालत नाही, कारण कुठून स्टार्ट आहे? पॉइंट D पासून. D is called end point of ray DE. Line AB. I draw ray AB. A is end point of ray AB. I draw a ray opposite to ray AB, means end point is A, but direction is in opposite direction. This ray is opposite of ray AB. The whole figure now called line AB. What is line AB? Right? The union set of all points of ray on ray AB and opposite ray of ray AB is called line AB. We draw line AB. Line AB or line BA are the same. Line AB means line BA. Now, I highlight some part. This is segment AB. सेगमेंट AB इथले सगळे पॉइंट्स हे लाईन AB वर पण आहेत, बरोबर आहे. मग सेगमेंट AB चे जे पॉइंट्स आहेत त्यांना आपण काय म्हणणार? दॅट पॉइंट्स आर सबसेट ऑफ पॉइंट्स ऑफ लाईन AB. Write down. The set of points of segment AB is a subset of points of line AB. आता जर आपण असा विचार केला, हा पॉइंट A पासून सुरू केला, हा असाच कंटिन्यू केला. The set of points of ray AB is subset of points of line AB. Similarly, the opposite ray of AB, the set of points of ray opposite ray of AB is subset of points of line AB. हा भाग समजलाय? Congruent segments. This is segment AB. I draw another segment, segment PQ. We observe these two segments. The lengths of AB and PQ are equal. हे ऑब्झर्वेशन केल्यावर लक्षात येते, पण प्रत्यक्षात आहेत किंवा नाही ते बघूया. मूव सेगमेंट PQ towards AB. What happens? Segment PQ overlap segment AB. What is the conclusion? याच्यावरनं conclusion काय असणार आहे? Length AB is equal to length PQ. If the length of two segments is equal, then the two segments are congruent. If length AB is equal to length PQ, then segment AB congruent segment PQ. Here length AB and length PQ is equal, therefore segment AB congruent segment PQ. Properties of congruent segments. First property, reflexivity. segment AB congruent segment AB. Is segment congruent to itself? Second, symmetry. If segment AB congruent segment CD, then segment CD congruent to segment AB. Means two segments are congruent to each other, then first congruent to second, then second congruent to first. This is symmetry. Third, transitivity. If segment AB congruent to segment CD and segment CD congruent to segment PQ, then segment AB congruent to segment PQ. First congruent to second, second congruent to third, then first and third are congruent to each other. So today we stop here only. In next lecture we complete remaining concepts.